In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Zendesk Community forums. Now, it's not necessarily here in the dashboard. You actually need to open a new tab and type in community.zendesk.com. It's going to bring you to the Zendesk Community. Now, here, you're going to need to open up a new account, create a new account. I advisably use the same email and password so you won't be confused whatsoever. So this is where you can just collaborate and interact with other Zendesk users. So if you look at the main menu here on the top, if you click on connect and engage, there are forums, events, product feedback groups, Zendesk updates, you have announcements, early access programs, product updates, and more. And then you have other resources like Academy and developer guides. So if you want to create a post, you can do so here, but from the get-go, you won't have any permission yet. You need to set up certain things. But if you've done that, you just need to go to forum and just start, collaborating with people here and just, replying and having discussions and conversations. So as you can see here, set up your profile, add details, say hello, stay informed, and it's that learning. So this is pretty practically what you do, right? So that is pretty much the oversight of the Zendesk Community forum. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.